I've been waiting to give you one of these. What is up, guys? So after we finished up at the actual Fukushima Inari gates, we're gonna try and make our way to the only KFC like buffet place in Japan or in the world. So this is actually gonna be a lot of excitement gonna be going on, and we actually can't wait. So we actually still need to figure out the journey, how to get there, but we're really excited. We're like not eating as much as we want to just because we're gonna eat a lot there. And yeah, so we're gonna get on our way. So we're on our bikes once again. There's AJ. He's really excited. He's the one that's actually really pushing for this, and I'm second. I'm like a really close second, pushing for this actual pushing for this you know, this activity. So, and there's Raquel. All right, let's get going, guys. So guys, so we finally dropped off our bikes. Now we're on our way to one of the we're getting on one of the train lines to get to the area is called La Porta, but we're currently at Kyoto station. Yeah, it's pretty big.
So we're really going to Senri Bampa.
What?
We're going to Senri Bampakoen Suitashi Saka.
You heard it first here. I'm not gonna try to repeat that because it's so hard. But that's where we're going, so we can get that all-you-can-eat buffet KFC. I swear this place better be open, man. We're putting all this effort into this, so come on, man, come on. So we got our tickets and we're on the way now.
Bus stop.
Okay, so we got off at Ibaraki station, and we are in the area of Ibaraki. And we just crashed here. We just crashed on the thing, on the train, because we're so tired. All that pedaling, and that walking. Every time the train stopped, we were like, we'd wake up. What station are we on? So we're gonna go take a bus now to Nihonte-mei, so that we can get to this KFC, man. This KFC better be so good. This better be the best KFC in the whole world. AJ, oh my gosh, AJ actually tried ringing to book a spot without speaking Japanese, and then
I spoke to 3 different people. They kept like passing the phone. I'm just like, oh my god, I was like laughing.
And then, yeah, and eventually nothing happened. So okay, okay, bye.
They were still talking actually, but I just hung up.
They're gonna remember you, AJ, when we go there later. Like, you're the one that hung up on us. But yeah, so. Yeah, it better be good to KFC when we get there. So they have like this card system here as well. So that's what they use for like tapping on and tapping off on the bus. Just like Melbourne.
220.
That's how much it costs. It's 220 a bus ride. It's pretty good. Yo, so we got off the bus. Now we're walking to the KFC. I was telling AJ, oh my gosh, this better not be just like a regular KFC that anyone can go to, that they have on the street and stuff. Because yeah, this better be the special one where you can eat the buffet. Their train lines are so cool. It's like up in the air, the trains. Pretty sick. Oh my gosh, they got the birds here too. Can you hear it? The birds. They're everywhere. They're following us throughout whole Japan. Just by walking around here, we just noticed that there's a lot of these kind of stadiums there. And there's also a stadium here. Yeah, true. So we're thinking that this area will probably be one of the kind of places where they will be holding some of the Olympic Games, like football or soccer. That's cool. That would be actually awesome to come here.
Osaka. Osaka, get it? Did you say? Did you mean like Osaka?
Oh
my god!
That's so funny. They play football or soccer. Okay, good one, AJ. It would be awesome. It would be awesome to come here during the actual Olympic Games, but I can only imagine how busy it will be, especially at that time. Oh my gosh. But what an experience that would be. Anyway, let's get walking. It's monorail. That's where we're going. Expo City. Huge Ferris wheel. Wow, it's big. So we've located it inside Expo City, so it's a moment of truth. This is it, guys. Another long journey, like, has come to fruition, and let's see if it actually, if this actually happens. Oh my gosh. There it is. There it is. There it is. It's actual KFC restaurant, like it's official, guys. So let's do it. It's the Japanese Colonel. It's kind of what they offer. So the salad, chicken, some curry, breadsticks, chips, spaghetti. I'm so ready for this KFC. Come on, come on. So at this place, you actually have to, there's actually a waiting line. So what did you do, AJ?
Just to get a ticket.
From there. But
All in Japanese.
it's also, so you basically just copied whatever the lady in front of him did.
And lucky there was exactly 3 of them too. So while we're waiting, let's just have a little conversation with the Colonel. Mate, I like your glasses. Your actual glasses is real. I've been waiting to give you one of these. I want to do this. Let's get this KFC. There's actually a lot of people waiting, so we're like in line with all these different people here. We're trying to get into the place. It's kind of a buzzkill, but oh well. Alright, so we're finally in. We can finally vlog about this KFC. So it's around 1,800 yen each to do the buffet. So we are finally eating. AJ's. What do you think, AJ? I'm happy.
Yeah, there's a pretty big menu. It reminds me sort of like Sizzler. Do you remember Sizzler back in the day? No? I remember Sizzler where you can get all you can eat. There's all these different kind of food that you can get. And but it's just a different version, I guess, because you can get stuff like this. So I got this pizza, I got the KFC chicken, I got these chicken fingers, whatever they are. I also got some potato gravy, some tomato, some what do you call it, broccoli, and some mushrooms. So yeah, all of this is, and you get free drinks. So I got the Pepsi Cola and the Sun Pop. I think it was green Sun Pop. And yeah, it's all free refills. The food is all like as much as you can eat. So we're probably gonna camp out here for a while, eat as much as we can. But yeah, there's a pretty big variety you can have here. There's salads as well. Let's dig into this first round and yeah. First plate down, and Raquel likes the chicken better here in Japan.
Also, I think AJ said that the what do you call it? The gravy is a little bit different as well. I like it. I like it. I don't find that much difference in it. The chicken to me tastes almost the same. It's still really delicious. Chicken. That's probably my favorite. That's my favorite, especially with the gravy, potato gravy. Oh my gosh. But I have to say, in Japan, my stomach capacity has probably gone down a little bit because of all this walking, so I'm kind of struggling eating here in Japan, so I only have a little bit to eat. But this guy seems alright.
I'm full now, but I'm like forcing myself to eat.
But it's pretty good. $30 is usually how much you have to pay for an all-you-can-eat place, like a cheap all-you-can-eat place. So yeah, it's not bad. We really liked it, and yeah, I'd definitely come back here again. And I definitely recommend coming to EXPOCITY to go to like the only all-you-can-eat KFC restaurant probably in the world. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. Would you recommend this?
Yeah, obviously. I was the one pushing you guys to come here.
You did.
I made it a mission to get here.
It was actually a fair effort to actually get here, but we did, and we're glad that we actually did. I don't know if I told you, they also have dessert as well. I think this is tiramisu, but they also have like matcha ice cream that you can actually scoop out yourself as well. So definitely a good place to actually bring the kids as well for a whole family kind of event. So definitely just like give it a go if you're ever in Japan, because it's super good. Something that you guys should know about this all-you-can-eat place is that you're given an hour to actually eat all you can. So it's actually, yeah, it should be like that, because then everyone will just eat whatever they want. But yeah. Like you're given a certain time and you gotta get out, and so you gotta eat everything before then, which is fair. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.